wife, she is back to her old things. Makwela, before she met Musamseleku, she was drinking alcohol. Musamseleku says she has to stop because he was promising her to marry her. And Makwela quit her job because of Musamseleku. Makwela go back to her job and starting drinking alcohol because we saw a video. Makwela was enjoying at club with their friends drinking alcohol. Maybe I didn't think Musamseleku knows the video, but he was shocked to saw the video was trending on social media. Musamseleku's wife was drinking alcohol. Musamseleku didn't fulfill the promises what he said to Makwela. Makwela now is not staying with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku buy houses for other wives and he didn't buy a house for Makwela. How she feels, and he want to control Makwela everything. When she is hairdressing, Musamseleku says, I don't want you to dress like this. I don't want you to drink alcohol to go to work. So Makwela decide to go to work. Guys, Makwela, she took a good decision because when she go to work, because Musamseleku says to Makwela, you have to quit your job. But when he is buying some of the properties, he didn't count Makwela. Guys, how do you feel a person who told you to quit a job but he didn't do anything he can do for other people? And Musamseleku buy houses for Mangwabe, Mayeni and Macele, especially Mangwabe and Mayeni. They are going to work, but he says Makwela have to quit a job and stay at home. Makwela, she is staying at her parents' house, and Musamseleku didn't do anything. So Makwela, I think, decided to go back to work. And Makwela started drinking. Guys, enjoy her life. But what I saw Makwela to go back to the clubs, it's not a good decision. Makwela, it's not good for a woman to go to club drinking drunk. It's not about she is doing it for Musamseleku to stop drinking. She have to do for her kids, for her child, because now she is a mother. Makwela have to know the difference before she became a mother and now after it's a mother. Because yes, she did a good thing to go back to work. Makwela have to go back to work like other wives, Mangwabe, Mayeni and Makumalo. Makwela have to go to guys to prepare her future, because what I saw, guys, when Mangwabe is still in Musamseleku's life, Makwela and Musamseleku are not going to be a husband and wife, and Makwela now have to forget about to say Musamseleku can they have umembezo what. Yes, when they have umembezo, but Makwela, she can't expect all those things. Makwela have to put her hope on her job, expecting her own money to have her own money. Makwela, you understand? But what I saw, DSTV doesn't allow them to have content on YouTube, Instagram. So if Makwela, DSTV allowed them, they can have a small content, but they can't. But she have to go back to work, Makwela, to work for her child, to have a future, to build a house for her child. It's not about she can expect from Musamseleku, because now there is nothing she can expect. Musamseleku is done to buy houses for other wives. And guys, you can imagine, you are going to be Musamseleku's wife, and Musamseleku buy new houses in town, and you don't have a house. You are still staying at your parents' house, and you are allowing that person is still controlling you. Musamseleku want to control Makwela, and Makwela she is not free like that to be with Musamseleku. They can be together, not like most of the time, not there and there. You understand? So it's very difficult to hear. She is living like a single mother. Musamseleku to Makwela is like maybe Makwela, she is like a side chick to Musamseleku. It's like a side chick. So Makwela took a good decision when she go back to work, because when she is staying and waiting for Musamseleku, I don't think it's a good idea. to wait for a person you don't know, because now maybe there is 3 years Makwela is not staying with Musamseleko.